So it's been a little while, like 6 weeks maybe. But I wanted to show you what they've done to the barrier. The float barrier worked. They're all so loud. Hello, Locket. There's Rex. There's Dad. Oh, I dropped. Whoa. Ha! You did a somersault, Dad. You didn't even know it. Actually, I guess the people did a somersault. Okay. So, as soon as it gets dark, they've been going right into the coop, like the chickens do. Oof. Get up there. There we go. Hello, chickens. Hello there. How are you girls doing? Oh, the apples and the leaves are gone. Okay, watch out, ladies. So, if you'll recall, we strung pool noodles across the pond. Hello, Randy. Hello. Watch out, buddy. And it's pretty much done. But it only took it being there for 2 days, and they right away realized it was not safe. And so now, look, there's no bits of pool noodle left at all. I hope they haven't been eating it, but I haven't seen any floating around, so I don't know. But they come right in when I tell them it's bedtime now. Has to be a little darker though, but they come right in and they go right to bed in the under area. Wow, that's so loud. In the hello, Randy. Hi, ladies. I'm Ellie. So the ducks all live underneath there, under that area. And then the geese in the main area, and the chickens up on the roost. Except for there's 3 chickens that live up there. But that's okay. They're fine. But anyway, you can see Mr. Randy he's a good sized guy. Hey, ladies. Okay, Blue, I know. Anyway, just a little update. Sorry it's been so long. I'll talk to y'all later.